Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I talk to my presentation. My presentation name is myself. So now I start my first presentation myself. My name is Choyon. I'm 23 years old. I'm a student. My college name is Choyon College. I studied Department of English. I rise early in the morning at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth every day and I go to college regularly. Um I play football and cricket in the afternoon. Then I homework every day. I have one brother and one sister. They are between I'm small. Uh, I live with my parents. There are 5 members in our family. My mother is a housewife. She cooks our family every day. My father is a bamboo worker. He works in a canny. I love my family. I'm strong and healthy. Uh, my hobby is playing football. I have many friends at college. My best friend name is Torikol. He is my classmate. I also I also like watching cricket matches. Uh, I do all my works myself. I never tell a lie at large. I want to be a business cadre. Thank you, everybody.